Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is creation. You are in a state and a frequency to be able to create. What new ideas do you have today? Act on that, because that's going to change your world and those that are around us. I need you. The whole world needs you. But when you're creating, Aquarius, you feel alive. You're very artistic. You're very creative, as we continue to say. And when you're in that creative mode and you manifest and you're building something, you take pride in the fact that you've been able to build it. And you're going to reap the benefits of helping us, because wherever you're building, we need. Feel your best by doing your best and using your gifts. I have the power to direct my life with a constructive attitude and a teachable spirit. I create what is best for my soul. I firmly believe that I can transform and improve my inner and outer worlds by turning every thought into affirmative action. That means what you say goes. Whatever you put your mind to, you're not going to stop until you create it, until you reach your goal. And I actually ask you to do that, because this is a frequency where you make breakthroughs and you create your life. I act in the image of God, and I bring light into my life. You're a co-creator. God is in you. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Energy. Jesus Christ is in you. You're actually being called upon to be the co-creator. The inclination or the thought has been given to you. Put some walk behind that talk. Put some bite behind that bark. And watch how you get elevated and things start to be created for you. And that will bring so much pride and so much happiness to your life, because you've done it. And the whole world will thank you for it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.